Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to choose a doctor from the Dominican Republic. I've been asked to do this video for a while. So first you need to decide what kind of results you want. So I wanted a natural body, so I looked up all the doctors first from Dominican Republic who actually does plastic surgery. So I got that list, and then I narrowed that list down by how many deaths a doctor had. That is on the internet. It's on there. So I narrowed it down. Then I narrowed it down again to how many infections have people gotten from the doctor itself, from his practices. So I narrowed that list down again. And also, so the list that's left over, you want to look at the reviews of the patients that actually went to that doctor. So you want to look at their reviews, and the reviews will tell you whether or not you want to choose that doctor or not. So I narrowed the list down again. So after I got about 5 doctors, I wanted a natural body. So I had a lot of extra skin that I said before, and I really just wanted my stuff lifted up and tucked back to where it was. I had extra skin and I had children. So I wanted the natural body. So I went towards a doctor that does natural bodies. But some people like doctors that do good boobs. Some people like doctors that give you the big butt and the hourglass, like you got big, like the big hips. I didn't want any of that. So I just wanted to be natural. So I went for the natural doctor who gives natural results. So then after I found the doctor I wanted, and he had no deaths, and also my doctor was new to it. So you get a lot of people that have the deaths and infections are the ones that's been doing it the longest. So mine is a fairly new doctor. He's been doing it for less than 10 years. He does not have any deaths. He does not have any infections. So that's the type of stuff that you want to look for. And then second, after I did all of that, I messaged the doctor. So it started with an email, but then he tells you to get on a WhatsApp. So all the doctors are on WhatsApp. So they give you you send them pictures, tell them what you want, and you give them your height, your weight, and if you have any medical issues. So I told my doctor right up front that I had lupus and all of that. So you give them all of that information, and that's what you send to him with the pictures, and then they send you back a quote. They ask you what you want, and then they send you a quote. The quote is what you keep for the 30 days. So or is it 90 days? You keep that quote for a minute, and then if you wait to put your deposit down, which my deposit was $300, which is pretty standard for all the doctors. So your deposit locks in your price that they gave you, and it locks in the date that you want. And you pretty much go from there. Now, when I originally locked in my date, I pushed it back further, so you can move your date if you don't want it as soon as you wanted it. So I moved my date further out to November, just because of my kids and stuff, and they were in school, and that's when my mom can come and watch them because she lives in North Carolina. So I moved my date, and it was free. It was fine. Had no problem. Booked my air flight. Now, I originally booked my flight for 10 days, but he said that he wanted us there for 14 days, and I traveled with my husband. So I changed my flight to 14 days, and I got a ticket that was refundable. So they just refunded me, and I changed it to 14 days. And I actually had after this, I changed to 14 days, but the first day was when I landed, I did my blood work. The second day was meeting with the doctor and then going to see their cardiologist to get cleared from them. And then the third day was the procedure. And later on that day, on the second day, I actually stayed in the newer hospital, not Cipla, the other one, which is much, much, much nicer. I stayed in that one the overnight, me and my husband, and because my surgery was the first surgery in the morning. And that was that. So I hope this video helped. Please let me know if you have any more questions. I can do what I took because I did not take the medications and stuff that people has been telling you to take. I have not taken that. I took it, but I brought it back with me. You don't need it. So let me know if that helped. Hit me up. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification for the next video. Also, I got a lot of stuff that I've been doing. I'll probably be doing an updated video on a lot of stuff that's been going on in my life. All right, thanks, bye.